What's going on, guys? It's me, Sonic Collector, and today we'll be taking a look at the Sonic Boom Super Pack. Yeah, they come with all the 6 discs, including Here Comes the Boom, Season 2 Volume 1, and Season 2, Season 2 Volume 2, and the Go Team Sonic that I don't have. Yeah, because I'm trying to look at Walmart or the other stores. I want to find Go Team Sonic. I do have this one, including that one, but I only save for the collection. Yeah, as you can see, there only shows 4 discs. Yeah, these ones. I want to unbox it because I want to keep it like that. Yeah, so we have Sonic, Knuckles, Amy, Tails, and Sticks, and then it shows Sonic, Tails, and Amy. And there's the whole game: Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, and Sticks. And same thing: Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, and Sticks. Yeah, so there's the logo for Sonic Boom. It says over 20 hours, 6 disc. Yeah, so yeah, there is the bang. You can buy it. It says wherever he goes to, what if he and again Sonic tried to do whenever Tails and his friends Knuckles, Amy, and Sticks together, they all feat onto Dr. Eggman. Yeah, so there's the other panel, but I'm not gonna read them all. Yeah, that's all for the review. And also, I had to do the review of these ones. We have Wave 2 of the Sonic Movie 2 figures. I had the Sonic one with the cool electricity. But unfortunately, I need to get Tails and Super Sonic. If I don't find these two, then we'll just going to get it online. And the next one, we have this what wave is in? We have I think this is wave 10 or no, the wave 10 comes with Rouge and Dark Chow. I can't think. I think it's 9. Oh, I don't know. I'll check. I do have Classic Tails and Sonic, but I don't have Mighty. Including in the 2 new ones, we have Classic Metal Sonic and what's the name? I keep forgetting. Ray. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all for the review. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.